Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hey! So happy you're here with us today.
Yes, we are really glad you joined us. Today, we have a topic that is very close to everyday life.
Oh, yes! Something every single person does every day.
We are talking about your home and the things you do at home, your daily responsibilities.
Like cleaning, cooking, taking out the trash.
Exactly. The things we all have to do, whether we want to or not.
Right. Nobody wakes up excited to clean the bathroom, but we still do it.
And today, you are going to learn how to talk about all of that in English.
So if someone asks you, what do you do at home? You will know exactly what to say.
In clear, natural, beautiful English. Let's go.
Yo, let's do it.
You know, Alice, I was just thinking, I really love how these conversations feel. It never feels like a lesson.
Right? It feels like we are just talking. That's the whole point.
That is the whole point. And if you love learning English this way, make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. So every time we make a new episode, you will get it right away.
We make new episodes every week, so you do not want to miss any of them.
Okay, now let's talk about home responsibilities.
So picture this. You meet someone new, maybe at work or at a party, and they ask you, "So what's your home life like? Do you share chores with your family?"
And I would have no idea what to say in English.
That is exactly why today matters. Because this kind of small talk, talking about your daily life, happens all the time.
All the time. So let's make sure you are ready for it.
Great. Let's start with some key words and phrases. The first one is very important. Are you ready?
Ready.
The word is chores, E-S, chores.
Chores. Oh, what does that mean exactly?
Chores are the small jobs you do at home, regular tasks, like washing dishes, sweeping the floor, doing laundry.
So chores are all those little things we do to keep the house clean and running?
Exactly, chores. And we say, I do the chores or I have chores to do.
I have chores to do. Okay, I like that.
Say it with me, chores.
Chores.
Good. Now, the next phrase. I'm in charge of.
Oh, I'm in charge of.
Yes, I'm in charge of means this is my responsibility. I am the one who does this.
Oh, like I'm in charge of cooking dinner?
Perfect. That is a great example. I'm in charge of cooking dinner.
And my husband is in charge of taking out the trash.
Haha, very natural, very real. I'm in charge of. You can use this for anything.
I love that phrase. It sounds so confident too.
It does. And the next one is connected. We split the chores.
Oh, split the chores? What does split mean here?
Split means divide, share. So we split the chores, we share the responsibilities, we each do some.
So it's not just one person doing everything?
Exactly. In many homes, people split the chores. My job, your job. We split the chores.
That sounds really fair, actually.
Very fair and very common. We split the chores.
We split the chores. Okay, got it.
Now let's talk about specific chores. Some very useful vocabulary. The first one, do the dishes.
Do the dishes. That means wash the plates and cups and things?
Exactly. After a meal, someone has to do the dishes. Wash everything clean.
I do the dishes every night. Every single night.
And the next one, do the laundry.
Oh, do the laundry. That means wash the clothes?
Yes, wash and dry the clothes, do the laundry,
Do the laundry. Okay.
and then vacuum the floor, or you can say vacuum the carpet.
Oh, vacuum, that big machine that makes a loud noise?
Yes, that loud machine, we call it a vacuum. And the action is to vacuum. I vacuum the floor every Saturday.
I vacuum the floor every Saturday. That's a nice example.
And one more, take out the trash.
Take out the trash. I know this one. Put the garbage bags outside?
Yes, take the trash bags and put them outside for the garbage truck to collect.
Take out the trash. My least favorite chore.
Most people agree with you, Alice. And the last phrase for now, keep the house tidy.
Oh, tidy. What's tidy?
Tidy means clean and organized. Everything in its place, not messy.
Oh, keep the house tidy. So, like, make sure things are not everywhere on the floor?
Exactly. Keep the house tidy. A tidy house. It's a lovely word.
Oh, tidy. I am going to start using that word.
It is a very natural English word. Very common. Keep the house tidy.
Okay, so we have chores I'm in charge of. We split the chores, do the dishes, do the laundry, vacuum the floor, take out the trash, and keep the house tidy.
Perfect. You said all of those so well.
I was paying attention.
Now let's see all of these words in action. A real conversation. I will be David, just a regular person at home.
And I'll be Alice, his roommate, partner, neighbor.
Let's say roommates. Two people sharing an apartment.
Yo, perfect. Let's do this.
Okay, so it's Sunday morning. Oh, Alice, have you seen the kitchen?
Yes, I know. It's a mess. I was going to do the dishes this morning.
I already did the dishes, actually. But the floor is really dirty. Someone needs to vacuum the floor.
You did the dishes? Thank you. Okay, I'll vacuum the floor then. I'm in charge of the floors anyway.
And I'll take out the trash later. There are two big bags in the kitchen.
Sounds good. Hey, do you think we should make a list, like a real plan for the chores?
Oh, actually, that's a great idea. We can split the chores more clearly, so we both know what to do.
Yes, I'll do the laundry on Saturdays, and I can keep the living room tidy.
And I'll handle the kitchen, do the dishes, wipe the counters, and I'll take out the trash every Monday and Thursday.
Perfect. That works. I think if we split the chores like this, it will be much easier.
Agreed. A clean and tidy home, that's the goal.
Yo, yes! A tidy home. I love it.
Okay, let's step back and look at what just happened in that conversation.
Right. So we used so many of the phrases naturally.
We said do the dishes. We said vacuum the floor. We said take out the trash.
And we said, I'm in charge of the floors. That one felt so natural.
It did, because it is natural. I'm in charge of. You can finish that sentence with any chore.
I'm in charge of cooking. I'm in charge of the laundry. I'm in charge of taking out the trash.
Exactly. Very flexible. Very useful. And we said split the chores. We share the work fairly.
Oh, and the word tidy. I love tidy. A tidy home.
A tidy home. Keep the house tidy. Yes, very natural.
I feel like I could have that conversation now in real life.
You absolutely could. And so can our listeners, right, everyone?
Yes. And speaking of, let's talk about some mistakes, because learners sometimes say things that are a little off.
Yes. Good mistake 6. Things we understand, but a native speaker might find a little unusual.
Okay, so can I try to make a mistake?
Please, go ahead.
Okay. So, like, I make the dishes every day. I make the dishes.
Oh, yes, that's a very common one. Make the dishes. We understand what you mean, but we don't say make the dishes.
We don't? Why not?
Because in English, for dishes, we say do. Do the dishes, not make the dishes.
Oh, right. Do the dishes.
Make is used for other things, like make the bed. You make the bed. But for dishes, it's always do.
Do the dishes. Make the bed. Oh, why is English like this?
That is a question for a very long day. But the good news is, just remember these combinations. Do the dishes, make the bed, do the laundry, clean the floor.
Okay. Do the dishes, not make the dishes. Got it.
And another one, sometimes learners say, I am doing my homeworks, or I have many homeworks to do.
Homeworks? Like chores?
Exactly. Some learners translate directly from their own language, and in some languages, housework might sound like homework. But in English, homework is schoolwork, and housework is home chores.
Oh, so housework is the word for all the chores together?
Yes, housework. I have a lot of housework to do this weekend. That's very natural.
Housework. I need to do my housework, not homework.
Yes, unless you are also a student, then you might have both.
Poor students. Homework and housework.
Exactly. Okay, one more. Sometimes people say, I am responsible of the kitchen, or I am responsible of cooking.
Oh, responsible of? That sounds a little wrong.
It is. In English, we say responsible for. I am responsible for the kitchen. I am responsible for cooking.
For, not of. I am responsible for the dishes.
Exactly. For. Always for. I am responsible for, or even more natural, I'm in charge of.
Oh. So I'm in charge of and I'm responsible for mean the same thing?
Very similar. Yes. Both are natural. I'm in charge of cooking. I'm responsible for cooking.
Got it. Great. So responsible for, not responsible of.
You've got it. And you are doing so well with all of this.
Thank you. I'm learning too.
Okay, everyone, now it is your turn. We want you to practice out loud. Can you do that?
Yes, say it out loud. Don't just listen. Speak.
Okay. Ready? Repeat after me. I'm in charge of doing the dishes.
I'm in charge of doing the dishes.
Good. Now you say it. Go ahead. Say it with me. I'm in charge of doing the dishes.
Oh, can you feel how natural that sounds? I'm in charge of doing the dishes.
Now try this one. We split the chores at home. Say it.
We split the chores at home.
We split the chores at home. Your turn. We split the chores at home.
Slow is good, fast comes later. But first, get it right.
Exactly. And one more. I need to vacuum the floor this weekend.
I need to vacuum the floor this weekend.
Say it. I need to vacuum the floor this weekend. Come on. Don't be shy.
We can't hear you, but we know you're saying it. And that's what matters.
That is exactly right. Practice when no one is watching. That is when the real learning happens.
Yo, I love that. Practice when no one is watching.
Okay, let's wrap up today's episode, and let me give you our 3 most important phrases from today.
Yes! 3 key phrases. Write these down if you can.
Number 1, I'm in charge of. This means, I am responsible for this task. I do this.
I'm in charge of the cooking. I'm in charge of the laundry. So useful.
Number 2, we split the chores. We share the work at home. Not one person doing everything.
We split the chores. Very fair. Very natural.
And number 3, keep the house tidy. Tidy means clean and organized. A tidy home is a happy home.
I like that. A tidy home is a happy home.
And now, our question for you. We want to know. We really want to know.
Oh yes, tell us.
What is your least favorite chore at home? And who is in charge of it? You or someone else?
Mine is definitely taking out the trash. Without question.
Mine is vacuuming. That machine is just so loud.
Tell us yours in the comments. We read every comment.
We truly do, and we love hearing from you. It makes these episodes feel so alive.
Yo, it really does.
Thank you so much for being here today. You are doing something wonderful by learning English grass every day. Every episode you listen to, you are getting better.
Even if it doesn't feel like it, you are improving. We promise.
Keep going, keep listening, keep practicing.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye for now.